Ui. Ôi. Đó, đó. Ừ. Ừ. Mm. You see my sunflower over there? You want to snap that one to try?
Nice and crispy.
That is not grocery store.
Nope.
No. Yeah.
Oh
No,
my
we
gosh.
love asparagus. Like I said, there's
Oh,
not too
that's
many
so good.
vegetables I don't like.
Oh.
For me,
Yeah.
the only ones I'm not big on is like sweet potato,
Oh.
you know, that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
vegetables, from parsnips to radishes to most peppers, you know, bell peppers, cucumbers, beets. I love beets.
That's a bean.
So pretty.
Oh, fava bean.
No, called runner bean.
Oh,
Runner.
that's so good. Fresh beans. Oh my
Fresh
god,
bean.
I love fresh beans.
No, you do?
Y'all, with this was garlic.
Oh. Ooh, yeah.
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 A little bit of hoisin sauce.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Oh, yum.
Yeah.
What you take, like 93 pounds up to the food bank?
Yeah, 93 pounds.
Oh my gosh.
I saved some for you guys inside.
The way that she does that every week.
Yeah, these.
Yeah, every Sunday I go down there.
Like these are good. I like getting these and doing them at Thanksgiving with cranberries.
Mm.
Even with cranberries.
Don't cook.
Oh my
I feel like
gosh.
if you cook those.
Getting over 4 inches.
It's called gourd.
Oh, this?
Yes. You peel the skin, then chop like zucchini and eat.
So
Yeah.
you can cut that right off?
Mm-hmm. Try if you like. Next time I give you more. There you go.
So right off top?
You can peel the skin off, she said.
Peel skin off. If they young, they okay. You cook them though.
Yeah, skin you can just throw on the ground?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want it raw? I never eat raw, but I cook them.
Okay.
They had little bit. What do you call?
So what is it?
Called gourd.
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 Yes.
Oh, okay. So you cook it like zucchini.
Yes.
Okay.
If it's young like this, the skin okay, but little bit older, the skin kind of tough. So you can try it with skin right now, but I'm always spill the skin out.
Oh, that's super good. That'll be good.
Okay,
Yeah.
it's really
sauteed.
sweet. Sauce steak, really good.
That is really good.
Okay,
Okay.
that'll be good.
Flip it over.
Yeah, that's easy. Maybe easy
the
for
whole thing
him.
over?
Yep.
Pull it back.
Oh, there they are.
Yeah, you can collect,
Oh, wow,
collect and
okay.
put them in here. Put them the thing in here. Put potato in here.
Oh, look at them all.
Okay. Ooh.
Oh my God, the earthworms I've got down there.
Yeah.
And the chickens.
Huh?
They're like this big.
Really?
They're huge.
Wow.
I've never seen earthworms so big down there.
Wow. I'm
I
not.
started digging down there because when I was moving that chicken coop and stuff,
Yeah.
they look like a small snake.
Oh my God.
They're probably about that big around.
Oh wow.
I
I've
wish
never
we had
seen.
known that.
Yeah.
Huh?
There's no, I took Nam up.
Oh, they're still there.
Up,
Dig down about that far,
Huh?
and like I said, they're all over. I've never seen so many earthworms. Every time I mow, the robins come out there like crazy.
Yeah, they love the
Yeah.
warm hat.
But no, they
Ooh.
yeah. If you want earthworms, I mean it's like I said.
remember that.
They look like small snakes.
Huh? Ooh, lots of potato, huh? Ooh, wow. This you bake them, it's really good. I like to bake them. Then I put in the microwave and I mash them and
Yeah.
then put in the pan. It's really good. It's really good.
Yeah, these little fingerlings are perfect. I've done them, sauteed them
Yep.
like a pan. Oh my gosh, they're super good.
Yum. Look at your hand like gardener.
I get a little in that corner.
Ooh, there. Ooh, that's a big one there. Hmm. No?
Not at all.
You know, teach me NUM.
She's like, I don't want you to know what I'm saying.
Yeah, so Vietnamese call anh yêu em, it means I love you. That all.
That's all you need to know.
Look at you. Wow. That's a lot there.
Vietnam 9 times.
Okay, I'm gonna pick you some here. Try.
Right?
This is insane.
Well, like you said, having this, the sun coming up here and stuff.
Yeah, you don't want to spend all day out.
Try, try.
Yeah.
You take the big one. Thank you.
Hey, one more big for you. Here.
I'll eat the small one. We're not going to need dinner.
You got it.
Oh, okay. Ooh, it's kind of like a cucumber.
Yes.
Yep.
You want to pick a cucumber over there?
Cucumber, sure.
Okay.
Here.
Yes.
There.
Right here.
And that one?
On here. Yes.
Okay.
Take a big one. Oh, good.
Perfect.
Right here, right here, right here. Right here. Too.
This one? Okay.
Couple.
There.
Looks like you're going.
One more, one more.
One more?
Yep.
Okay.
There's a honor roll.
Be careful.
Perfect.
Oh, see any big?
Okay.
So much.
Take a couple with
And
them.
vegetables.
Of course, we don't eat.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
That one?
Be careful. You can cut your hand.
So she, the byproduct of that.
So does she like teach you to do?
Perfect.
Wow. See, I saw this one big too. Oh, couple.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah. Take a big one home and eat.
I know.
Okay. That one?
Yeah, over there I saw a couple too. Just take that one.
That one too? Okay. Okay.
There you go.
Oh, these are a little different.
Yeah, I grow many times.
Okay.
Yep. Oh, wow.
So good.
You want to take a bite? Try. See how good they. That one really smooth. No pokey, huh?
No. It's good. Wow.
Take the big one.
Okay.
Oh, those are cool.
Aren't they?
They don't have those in the grocery store.
Nope.
No,
No.
no. Some of this stuff.
No.
It tastes a little bit sour when they're bigger.
A little bit. Yeah.
They're good though.
They're very refreshing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Đó. Đó.
And they're always right there in
Rồi.
the service station.
Want to try a fresh one?
They've got huge wagons full of corn.
Yeah.
And they're like $4 for $1 or something.
Nhầm ha.
Wow.
Sweet.
Oh my God, those are super sweet. Super good.
I'm gonna pop it.
Double that one good.
Onion, right?
Yep.
Oh, they look so good.
Raspberry home?
Oh, raspberries?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow.
Right there.
Mmm.
Fresh. Really
Yeah.
good. Put some on the ice cream tonight.
I make homemade ice cream.
Oh, yeah, I heard about that.
Did you? Yeah, those
Yeah.
hand crank.
Oh, wow.
I made some with that of. I didn't know you had berries, but I got them down there at the field off of 530.
Yeah.
They had boysenberries and strawberries, and it's my grandmother's cook recipe. You actually make the batter and cook it first.
Oh, wow.
And then-
Next time you make, I like to
Do you?
it.
Oh, I'll have to bring
Yeah.
some for you. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, I got a little bit left.
Yeah.
Super good.
Bring some home and make some ice cream out of them.
Oh yeah.
There's a very
My boss has a lot.
I worked for this.
If you like some, I can ask her. She can give you some.
Of the
The raspberry.
Oh yes.
She had loaded.
Sure.
Yeah. That's a gourd too. That's a tie-up gourd. It's pretty. Called bird gourd.
Like what? You cook it right now?
Yeah, you just cook like the other one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, the swan.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
See?
I see, yeah, okay. Huh. Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
Oh, don't fall.
Yeah, but anyways. Well, awesome. Well, thanks, guys.
You're welcome.
Oh, so much. Yes. Yeah, this is really good turnout here.
Holy
Let me
smokes.
throw these in the truck here.
I don't think you've ever had so much fruit.
Thank you. You're welcome.